In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your domain on Flippa. This is a simple process, and if you follow along, you'll be able to list your domain in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Flippa website. Once you're there, log into your account. And if you don't already have one, you can quickly sign up. It's free and only takes a moment. Having an account lets you manage your listings and communicate with buyers. After logging in, go to the Sell section. Here, you'll be asked to enter your domain name. Type in the full domain URL carefully, since this is what buyers will see. Next, you'll need to fill out the details about your domain. This is very important. Try to clearly explain what makes your domain valuable, things like its age, traffic, niche, potential use, or any income it has generated. The more honest and detailed you are, the more confident buyers will feel. Now choose how you want to sell your domain. You can either set a fixed price or list it for auction. A fixed price works well if you already know what your domain is worth, while an auction lets buyers bid and decide the value. Pick whichever option suits your strategy. Before publishing, preview your listing to make sure everything looks correct. Check your description, pricing, and contact details so buyers can easily reach you. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your listing. After that, you just need to wait for interested buyers and respond to any messages or offers you receive. And that's it, you've successfully listed your domain for sale on Flippa. Thanks for watching and good luck with your sale.